Ang point kasi dito is dapat kung merong mga disqualification, they should have decided that before the elections para the people will be guided accordingly. Kaya nga kung ang pag-uusapin natin ay second placer rule na sinabi ng Supreme Court na hindi siya ang actual na nanalo, tama ang Supreme Court dyan. Because at the time na sumabak yung mga kandidato na yan sa election, at that time, the people believed that the candidate na dinisqualify was qualified. Di ba? So binoto nila yung tao na yon. Obviously, yung second placer cannot be the winner because he was repudiated by the people. Hindi siya pinili ng taong bayan. I believe yung second placer rule na bagong decision ng Supreme Court is correct. Because at the time na tumakbo yung mga kandidato na yan, hindi alam ng taong bayan na disqualified na pala yung kandidatong binoto nila. So at that time, valid yung boto nila para sa kandidato na yun because they believe in good faith na yung tao na yun is qualified and they later disqualify that person. So therefore, yung second placer cannot be considered the winner because obviously he was repudiated by the people. Hindi siyang binoto ng taong bayan at hindi mo pwedeng paupuin yun. It goes the same for local government as well as for congressmen. So kung ganun, ang second placer cannot be considered the winner, so mag-hold ka ng special elections. While in the case of local government, ang vice mayor ang uupo because bakante yung mayor.
Opo. Pero dito po sa kaso ni Uy at laban kay Abante, dahil nga diniskwalipika ng COMELEC si Uy at idiniklarang panalo itong si Benny Abante, anong mangyayari po nito? Ano bang remedyo ang gagawin ni Uy dito, attorney, at sino ba ang formal na uupo talaga bilang kongresista o kung habang may apila pa sa Supreme Court wala pang may dideklarang kongresista o representative dyan sa 6th District ng Manila?
Nag-file Kuya Admar si Congressman-elect Joey Uy ng certiorari sa Supreme Court questioning the decision of the COMELEC and Bank. Grave abuse of discretion yan. So kung makakuha siya ng temporary restraining order o status quo ante order and then makapag-take oath siya before the Speaker in open session by the 4th Monday of July and then assume duties, naproklama na siya, na-complete na niya yung tatlong requirements ng COMELEC, Reyes versus COMELEC. So walang kwenta na yung disqualification ng COMELEC. So doon na sila magbakbakan sa House of Representatives Electoral Tribunal. So mag-file uli si Congressman si Benny Abante ng kaso doon.